Project Aspen, eliminating all that busy work that we have to do, that just mundane work, like really applying presets to a bunch of images, right? You did this photo shoot, you need to apply the same preset to I'll just do these, let's see, these 6, sure. Again, 6, it's more like 60 to like 100 to 200 when it comes to applying presets. Like, why open up Lightroom and do that? Just take all those images, click next. You can select a preview asset if you want to. So again, I just grab one real fast, upload a preset. It's going to do an auto tone. That's one of them. But really grab, say, this one, black and white punch. I want something that's kind of drastic that you'll just like notice the difference. So we're already seeing the auto tone, but if you want to get that preset, just jump into Lightroom. Yeah, they're all in here. You can add your own as well, make your own, all that good stuff. So really, it's all about sort of finding one you want and then clicking, yeah, export. So it's that easy. Applying that preset, getting that export, right? Seeing the preview as we can see here. And yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. Got some options. We'll click next. From there, yeah, output, whatever file type that we want. I've been doing a lot of JPEG, but let's just go ahead and give them a JPEG at a higher quality, run that task, right? And yeah, I would typically just wait for the email and go work on other fun projects, right? That's the goal. Take the busy work out of my day. And yeah, I can always view those files as well. I find this pretty easy to do. Just jump in here and just check on the processing. And yeah, it's doing it just like magic. That's right, applying presets easily in Project Aspen. Check it out today. Thanks.